Is the air in your home really clean? Hidden dust, allergens, and debris could be circulating through your air every day. Over time, air ducts collect contaminants that reduce airflow and affect your home's air quality. In Lower Salford, seasonal changes can make your HVAC system work even harder, leading to buildup inside your ducts. Professional air duct cleaning helps restore clean airflow, improve comfort, and support a healthier living environment. Our expert team cleans your vents, main lines, and full duct system to help you breathe easier. Cleaner air, better airflow, and improved energy efficiency, all in one service. Learn more about our air duct cleaning services here. HTTPs // e-cleaning duct vent. cleaning.com/air duct cleaning in Lower Salford. And don't forget about your dryer vent. Clogged dryer vents filled with lint can reduce efficiency and become a serious fire hazard. Regular dryer vent cleaning helps keep your home safe, lowers energy use, and allows your dryer to work faster and more effectively. Protect your home and your family with professional dryer vent cleaning. Schedule your service today. HTTPs / e-cleaning duct vent. cleaning.com/dryer vent. Cleaning in Lower Salford. Cleaner air. Safer home. Better efficiency. E-cleaning duct and vent cleaning. Trusted in Lower Salford. Book your service today.